Alright guys, welcome back to a brand new video. In today's video, we're going to be discussing a very important topic. The Bitcoin halving just happened, and what are the coins that we're going to be looking into? What are the coins that you want to buy today so you can profit in the future? In today's video, we're going to be getting a little bit more in depth into the meme coin section. I'm going to be telling you some coins that I already bought, and I'm going to be telling you some coins that I'm planning on buying in these up and coming weeks so we can profit, have possibilities of 100x, 200x, 300x opportunities depending on when you get in and what coins you buy. You're going to want to watch this video to the very end because this entire video is going to be hidden with gems and hidden with gold and everything that I found. I'm gonna say it in this video. The meme coin sector is the one that has the most opportunities for gains, and if you're able to catch some of these coins early, you're going to be sitting on 100x opportunities very easily. And just as a reminder, I want to tell you guys, I told you when I was selling, and I told you guys and made a video about it, and we talked about it in the Discord in length, and that was no joke, one day before we experienced the over 16% crash on Bitcoin. Now a 16% dip on Bitcoin is really not that crazy, but you have to take into consideration that a lot of people are invested in altcoins, and if Bitcoin goes down 16%, you can expect altcoins to go down even as much as 50%. So if you guys watched this video and paid attention, you would have been in an absolute complete green bag today. Funny enough, this is one of the videos that I got the most amount of hate on. I got like 80 comments filled with hate, but then everyone kind of ended up switching, and now they love me because some people did listen and some people realized that I was right. It was a very obvious play. The markets had gone up an insane amount, and we were due for at least some sideways movements coming into the halving. So if you guys want to know absolutely everything that I'm doing, what coins I'm buying, what coins am I selling, and what am I thinking of the overall market, you have to join the Discord. I'm gonna leave the link in the bio. Everything's complete for free. We're in here talking every single day about up and coming coins, the best coin opportunities, and sometimes some coins that we have to sell. So I'll see you guys in there. Everything complete for free, like I said. And if you guys could please go follow me on Twitter, I would really appreciate it. We're getting close to 350 followers. Besides that, let's get straight into the video. So I just opened up CoinMarketCap, and as you can see here, we're at its 65 in the fear and greed index, which is not that bad, taking into account that we were just at 90% not that long ago. I'm gonna head over here to the meme coin section, and I'm gonna be telling you the exact coins that I am looking into, the exact coins that I have current positions in, and the exact coins that I am going to have positions in this up and coming week. The Bitcoin halving already happened, so there's nothing that we can do about it. We have to start getting some of these positions now, because at any moment now we could see the explosion of Bitcoin, and with that, the explosion of altcoins. Now that we're in the meme coin section, there's a few coins that I want you to pay attention. Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, Pepe, Dog with the Hat, Floki, and Bonk are all going to run regardless of what happens. These are the biggest coins in the section. These are the biggest meme coins, the ones with the most market cap, the ones with the most volume, and the ones with the biggest communities. So we're going to be skipping over all of these besides BONK. I have a huge position in BONK, and if you guys were following me on Twitter, 235 of you guys saw this. I told you guys April 17th that I just bought BONK because it's down 40% in the past 7 days, and to me that is a no-brainer play. If you see some of these top coins be down 40%, 50%, 30% in 1 week, you know you're up to something. Now guys, I don't mean to toot my own horn, but if you guys see here, April 17th, we were chilling at 0.000013. From today's price, that is basically a 2x in less than a week. Today alone, we're up over 13% on BONK. BONK is currently one of the top movers. It happened very quick, but the reason that we're able to catch this and the reason that we're able to ride this is because we're keeping up with the market. And also what I said at the beginning, these top coins will run regardless of what happens. So if you're able to catch them at a 40% decrease in 1 week, it's always a good idea to hop in and make sure that you have a little BONK position. That's another reason that you guys have to follow me on Twitter. I'll leave the link in the bio. Go follow me on Twitter if you want to catch these plays. I send them out when they happen, and I obviously also sent them out in the Discord. In the Discord, I send them out first, I'm gonna be honest, but Twitter also gets the sauce. I'll see you guys in there. Everything for free. Let's move on with the video. So now you might be asking, okay, if Shiba Inu, Pepe, Dog with the Hat, Dogecoin, if all of them are gonna run, why shouldn't we just buy those instead of other coins that we have no idea if they're going to run or not? And the reason is market cap. These coins have a huge amount of market cap, so the chance for us to catch a 50x plus with these coins is honestly not likely. That's why we have to scroll down and find some of these coins that have the ability to reach that top 10 in the meme coin section. One of the ones that I'm going to be talking about first is actually Brett. My current position with Brett is I bought in pretty early, and I'm sitting on my original bag, but I have not bought in at all ever since my first initial buy. I am thinking of buying back in. Actually, when I bought into BONK, I wanted to buy into Brett, and I also wanted to buy into TOSHI, because as you guys know, Brett and TOSHI are the biggest meme coins when it comes to the meme coin section in base ecosystem. For those of you guys that don't know, the base ecosystem is one of the best ecosystems in my opinion. It's ran by Coinbase, and simply because of that, I think it's going to be one of the top runners. So if you're able to catch the gold early before the people flock in, you're obviously going to be in a huge amount of gains after the people come in. But the reason that I didn't buy it was simply because we're up 100% on the month. Everything went down, everything crashed, but Brett actually ended up doing a full 2x. So I'm not buying just yet. I do believe that we're going to see some sort of capitulation because every single coin goes down at one point. Best believe when Brett goes down either 15, 20, 30% in 1 week, I'm going to be buying it. Brett is a coin that you want to have if you want some good Coinbase meme coins to run. Now, the next coin that I want to talk about is POPCAT. I'm not gonna lie, I am not a fan of POPCAT, but it has proven me wrong. The community's strong, the people are there, and honestly, now I'm starting to think that it has the possibility to have a pretty decent bull run. POPCAT's already sitting at $500 million market cap. That's $500 million, so it is gonna take quite a bit of money to move it, but I do think it's definitely possible. I don't own any. I'm not sure if I'm planning on owning any, but holy, look at this rise, boys. We've rise from 10 cents all the way to 46. So yeah, I mean, if you buy now, you're technically buying the top of POPCAT. Is there still room to grow? Yes. Am I involved? No. But I am thinking I might get involved depending on how things go. But honestly, I like different coins. I honestly feel like I already missed out on this, even though I know that I can go way higher than what it's at. I already think that we saw a lot of the gains. Unless we get a huge detrimental crash in quotations, I will be buying back in. But unless that happens, I am not planning on buying POPCAT, even though it is on my radar. Now, this is a coin that I am invested in today. I bought some more today. I bought some more yesterday. And every single time that I've bought it, it's made me money. This is MOG coin. Now, we're getting to the coins that are under $250 million market cap, which means you're still somewhat early if you're looking for diamonds. Okay, so for a true shitcoin to reach a $250 million market cap, a lot of things need to happen, and it very rarely happens. But for the meme coins that do want to make it to that top 50 coin in the meme coin sector, $250 million market cap is actually quite early. We're up 17% today alone, which is really good. We're up 60% these last 7 days. On the month, we're still down 16%. Will I buy today? Yes, I think MOG coin has a lot of good opportunities. We're still down 16% of the month, so you are getting quite a big of a discount. As you can see here, the all-time chart is actually looking pretty good, so I'm pretty excited to see what happens with MOG coin in the future. Am I buying today? Yes, I actually am buying today. I bought today in the morning, and I will continue to buy as the markets continue to go down or up regardless. I just want to dollar cost average to some of these good coins because I know for a fact that this is going to be a top runner. Now, in the 317th spot, according to market cap, we have the coin called TOSHI. Now, TOSHI and Brett go hand in hand in the base ecosystem, and it is not just a base meme coin, it is the first meme coin made on the base ecosystem, so it has a pretty good amount of value behind it because people like when coins are first. We're down 7% today, which is honestly kind of surprising. We're up 18% of the week, down 12% of the month, so overall, not too bad. I don't own any TOSHI, but I am looking into getting into TOSHI very soon. The same reason that I don't have any Brett is the same reason that I don't have any TOSHI. We simply went up a ridiculous amount while every single coin was going down, so I was not gonna buy a top. As you can see here, we went down 7% already, so I could already catch a 7% discount on the day. Am I gonna do it? No, I'm waiting for a bigger crash. I'm basically just looking for a bigger crash on TOSHI for me to buy back in because I think it's way too high now. Even though I do think at one point we will smash through what TOSHI is at today, I still think that I want to get in a little bit earlier. Now we're starting to get to the coins that honestly have a good chance to 100x your investment. Two of the coins that I want to talk about, the first one is MYRO and the second one's going to be WEN. Now I own 0 MYRO, but we're going to be taking a look at the chart to see if there's value to be had. We're up 3% of the day, 28% of the week, and down 20% on the month. Basically down 20%, we're down 17, basically 20. Now, what I do like about MYRO, it's its community. They don't stop. They're everywhere. They want you to buy the coin, and they are holders, which I know at the end of the day, if you sell your coins, you're selling to someone else. So this is not really a team. This is crypto. As everyone knows, it's a player versus player game, and that's how it is. At a $170 million market cap, I think this honestly has a very good chance. Trust me, the meme coin season will come again, and once that happens, people start looking for gems. You have to be early. MYRO is one of those coins that when the meme season starts to run it up again, they're going to get a lot of the volume, they're going to get a lot of the market cap, and it's going to run in a blink of an eye very quickly. Now, the same thing that I said about MYRO, I can say about WEN. They're basically partner projects. They're basically the same thing. I don't own any MYRO, but I do see the opportunity to be had if we do see a bigger crash. We're down 18% of the month. I could see it coming down a lot lower, but trust me, once the meme season happens again, which it will, WEN will get a lot of the volume and a lot of the market cap very quick. So besides that, boys, there is a list of coins that I dropped inside my Discord. Now that list is going to involve all the meme coins that I believe in that are under $100 million market cap. So those coins are going to be the ones that have a true chance to 100x your investment once things start to go well again. That list is already inside my Discord, complete for free. Just join up. I'll leave the link in the bio. I'll see you in there. We'll chat it up. Besides that, follow me on Twitter and subscribe to the channel. Only 9% of you guys are subscribed. Subscribe so you see all future videos. Leave a comment if you have any video ideas. Besides that, love you. Goodbye.